One problem that people seem to have, and they ask us, is how do I make my plastic, vinyl, and rubber components of my car look nice without it being oily or gross and nasty? Well, at Adams Polishes, we have one product that can address all of those things. It's called the all-purpose exterior dressing. This is a sprayable dressing that you can use on your plastic, your rubber, including your tires and trim, and also the vinyl components on the exterior of your vehicle. One unique thing about the all-purpose exterior dressing is it's a very thin formula, so it's very easy to spray. It atomizes. It can actually get into a lot of the nooks and crannies of something like an off-road tire or in your engine bay where you have all the hoses and plastic areas. You can spray it in there, level it off, and it's gonna make it look amazing. It also has a gloss acrylic polymer, which is going to not only give it a look or a shine, but it's also gonna last longer, more than our traditional dressings like VRT. Now, to use the all-purpose exterior dressing, it's very simple. You're using it on the bed rail here, like the plastic, you just spray 1 or 2 sprays into a block applicator and just apply it, okay? I'll make a little 50-50 right here so you can see the difference. And you can see it goes on nice and thin, and with the block applicator, it levels very nice. Now make sure when you're using this all-purpose exterior dressing, you're using it on clean trim, okay? If your trim looks a little bit faded, use some tire and rubber cleaner first with a edgeless utility towel and scrub your trim first to get the oxidation off, then dress with the all-purpose exterior dressing. So we'll let that dry here in a second and you'll see that it's nice and dry to the touch. But what we can do also, since we're right here, we'll dress the tire as well. So spray this into the tread block, especially on a off-road tire. A couple sprays into the applicator, and now we level it off. So as you can see, it gives it a nice, even look, but definitely there is some shine there, right? Probably, I'd say it's comparable to our tire shine, but with the acrylic polymer in there, it's going to last a lot longer. And again, since we're down here, and he has these plastic flares, we can just go ahead and do this piece right here as well. So when it says all-purpose exterior dressing, it is all-purpose. It can do any plastic, rubber, or vinyl surfaces on the exterior of your vehicle. It's giving a more richness to the color of the trim, but also it's giving a shine. So when you put this on, you absolutely know that you put this on, whereas VRT in and out spray, when it dries, it looks nice, it provides a richness, but it doesn't provide any shine whatsoever. So we've been talking a lot about the difference between all-purpose exterior dressing and something like VRT. So what I've done is set up a comparison here. So what we have in the middle is an undressed part, cleaned with tire and rubber cleaner, but undressed. And here on the left, you have all-purpose exterior dressing. You can see the color richness and the shiny look that it provides. Whereas VRT, the line is not as distinctive, okay? VRT is giving a color richness here, so it's making the black darker, but it's not providing the shine like all-purpose exterior dressing. So when you compare the two, you can really see a difference of the look, but the one thing you can't see between these two is how long they're gonna last. All-purpose exterior dressing is going to outlast VRT much longer. Now, when it comes to dressing your engine with all-purpose exterior dressing, make sure that your engine is clean first, okay? We don't want to dress a dirty engine. So clean it with tire and rubber cleaner, some of the wheel cleaning brushes, and make sure it's dry before you apply the dressing. Once it's dry, you can just go ahead and spray the all-purpose exterior dressing onto the plastic and rubber components, and then take a block sponge and even out on all the areas that you can touch. So some of the bigger hoses, the big engine cover on the top, and then you can close your hood. Then when you come back and you open it, you're gonna see your engine bay is perfectly dressed. It's gonna look amazing. Again, providing a little bit of a gloss, but also a long-lasting gloss. If you want a long-lasting glossy look for your plastic, vinyl, and rubber components on the exterior of your vehicle, all-purpose exterior dressing is going to be a great product for your detailing arsenal.